have something called as the materiality scoring. I was about to cover that, and it was a great question. So it happens on three bases: value, volume, and velocity.
Okay.
So we come up with something called as the materiality scores. So you see, there are materiality scores of 1. There will be materiality scores of 5 or 7 or 8 or something like that. Let me count,
Okay.
9 or something.
Is it the priority?
It's not a priority. I mean, there isn't a
Okay.
priority factor as part of the materiality. So it is a combination of three parameters. Value. Value would be in terms of if in case a transaction led to a ledger transaction or a ledger document. And volume, it is in terms of there are a number of users who've been assigned that particular transaction or a process. That would give me the volume. And next comes the velocity. In a given period of time, relatively, how many times has this transaction been executed?
Okay.
So it is all relative to this particular system alone. So it's more like percentile basis. So that's exactly how the materiality score is asserted. So,
Okay.
and the stakeholders follow the same approach where we peg a scoring against a particular user and how he's been using the application and what are the roles and what are the transactions he's been assigned or be authorized for and how has he been using the application so far. So all of those parameters are considered, and that's exactly how we arrive at this particular metric where we say these are the lines of businesses which are critical, and these have been the sub processes or the top processes, and these are the right set of stakeholders who've been familiar with these processes because uh, what we have understood is that it is more business oriented, the transformation itself, in terms of changes which SAP has introduced. So it is quite important, and it isn't just like an EHP upgrade where we do a patch and the technical components gets introduced. It is more in terms of changes in business processes, changes in UX. So it was quite effective in terms of identifying the right stakeholders and asking them the right set of questions because we've always been redirected across different departments in terms of getting an answer to one single question. So we now have the right set of information against the right set of stakeholder. So that's what this process analysis does.